Niveen with Coldwell, and today I am doing an open house in Ontario. The small condo is off Philadelphia and Mountain. It's in Magnolia. So as soon as you walk in from the door, you see this little seating area on the right hand side, and then you can see how it looks from the outside. It's all greenery. This condo complex has 2 pools and 2 spas. It has tennis courts and playgrounds. And when you walk in, you see the kitchen to the right hand side, and the kitchen is really upgraded. It has stainless steel cabinets, countertops, new blinds, new laminate flooring, and as you can see here, new carpet as well. Okay, then it has its own private patio, very well maintained and clean, and you can see in here that's actually the garage, 2-car garage, and it has a breakfast nook area. And then as you walk into the house, to the condo, you see on the left hand side a bedroom. So this condo has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. So this is 1 bedroom, and then this is the second one right here, and here is the bathroom, and the bathroom actually has the vanities are new, as well as the tub shower is new, and the laminate flooring. And then we go in here to the master bedroom. So the master bedroom has also the bathroom, the master bath in here. So everything upgraded, the vanities, as well as the bathtub. So and this is overlooking the patio as well. So it's a great condo complex. I would say it's great for first-time home buyers, or for, you know, as an investment. If you're looking to invest in a property, then this will be a great opportunity. If you would like to see this house or anything similar to it, please give me a call back. I'll be glad to help. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.